to know right now.
What is he to you, baby?
What is he to you?
What is he to you?
I heard you talk on the phone. I heard the way you talked in sweet tones. Never once you ever told me, ooh girl, that you felt that our love was gone. I hope it isn't too late for me, baby. I hope that we can work out what's wrong. I believe that love conquers all. And if that's true,